creates a final product with high precision and attractive aesthetics. With fast and accurate cutting speed, the machine helps increase production productivity and save labor costs. Ultrasonic Sandwich Cutting Machine is an advanced and efficient equipment in the food industry. Using advanced ultrasonic technology, this machine is capable of cutting sandwiches accurately and evenly. Are you hesitant about dividing the pieces of cake equally? The cake cutting machine will be an effective solution to help you optimize the production process and ensure product quality. The cake slicer is designed to do this job quickly, accurately and evenly. The machine's automatic operation feature saves time and labor while minimizing errors during the production process. Fruit tray sealer is not only a simple device but also an important tool to help preserve and protect products in the best way. By sealing the trays, the machine ensures that the fruit is stored in a stable climate and free from outside contamination. The precision and efficiency of the tray sealer enhances the packaging process and reduces wastage rates. By tightly sealing the tray, the machine helps prevent exposure to outside air and loss of product quality, thereby ensuring that the fruit retains its flavor and freshness for a long time. Fruit cup packaging is an important process that preserves and protects the product while also creating an appealing experience for consumers. The fruit cup packaging machine not only ensures safety and hygiene but also enhances the aesthetics and convenience of the product. Each necklace is a colorful journey from fresh green peppers to bright yellow bells, creating a vivid and attractive picture. From bright green bell peppers to vibrant reds, to golden yellows, to vibrant oranges, each color offers a unique and yeah, that edge is starting to shine pretty nice. With a simple operating principle, the ink mixer can meet all your creative color needs. A fantastic racetrack is about to be completed by this asphalt paver. Any type of wire can be stripped quickly by this ideal machine. Remove manhole covers in the blink of an eye with this milling machine. No need for sledgehammers or the like. With the presence of crust-making machines, food safety issues will certainly be improved. An innovative elevator concept for multi-level parking and car display. The system is equipped with a pressure washer to thoroughly clean the ship.
With a sophisticated combination of advanced technology and extensive expertise in raw materials and production processes, this line delivers final products that meet high-quality standards and satisfy growing demands, market growth. Not only does it meet quantity and quality requirements, the line also brings diversity and flexibility in packaging. From traditional packaging to advanced packaging solutions, such as vacuum sealing and vacuum preservation. Succulent and bright red strawberries on the branches are a masterpiece of summer. Each strawberry is like a precious gem, shining in the morning sunlight, giving us a sweet and happy feeling when enjoying it. Its mild sour taste and natural aroma create a wonderful experience, exciting and memorable experience for taste buds. Flexible and precise robotic arms help separate strawberries from branches and remove substandard fruits, helping to increase efficiency and reduce losses. At the same time, the robot is also capable of packing strawberries as required, from arranging them in containers to the final packaging process. With the ability to sort quickly and accurately, the Apple electric sorter not only saves time, but also reduces dependence on labor. This ensures that products are graded regularly and meet quality standards, thereby creating trust for consumers.